You are going to love the 2017 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.